Hi everybody, welcome back. How you all doing? I've got a little haul. I wanted to do an Easter thing when I got Ariel. Now she's 12 going on 13, so she still likes toys, but still going into the teenage years. But I did grab some more of these so I can do a little project. And then my shower is so small. We haven't redone that yet. That's one of the things that needs to get redone. And so my shampoo bottles are on the ground, on the floor. So I happen to grab one of these so I can put it in here so I'm not bending over all the time. So I did get one of these for our bathroom. I already got Ariel one for her bathroom. So that'll be handy. And so I'm adjusting myself because I have no shoulders, so the straps fall off. So let me show you what I got her. I mean, she got candy and stuff. I'm not going to show you that, but she loves basketball. Before the stuff happened, she did basketball every year. And so she missed it this year. And she missed it last winter. So I got her a basketball basket. And she likes to draw still out on the sidewalk. So I grabbed her some of that. I do not want to get her any more stuffed animals, but she's got to have a bunny. So I did get her a little bunny. She's going to be mad because it's not blue, but they didn't have a blue one. And then jelly beans. Everybody's going to have jelly beans. I've got these big eggs that the Easter bunny fills up. And so I grabbed one of these squishy, she's into these squishy things. So I grabbed her one of these and a little cheeky. So that will go in a bag. I'll fill this up like with chocolates and stuff and put the bunny on top and all that and her stuff. But I also got her, she likes this clay and she makes it into like a slime thing. So I got her one of these because she had already done this once already. So I got her one of these. And then kind of a makeup haul. I got her these fluffy, and she really likes this color now, this blue. And I just got her a sheet set too that's not in here. It's in her room. That has this color in gray. So she got that. I got her, look at this, isn't this cute? Because she is going back to school now, so she needs hand sanitizer. So I grabbed one of these. I don't know what kind of sanitizer is in here, probably regular. So she can put that on her bag. And I grabbed this for me. This is collagen skin cream, anti-aging for all skin types. It's supposed to tighten your, see, I got all this stuff. So I tried this. This was $1. So I tried that. I'm gonna try that. And then I got her a mess of stuff. I got her a mask. She likes doing these mask things. I got her some mascara. She loves this color. And I got her some, these were $1. These are makeup wipes. Because she's experimenting, you know, the teenage years with makeup and stuff, and she uses all of mine. So I got her a couple of hers. I got her eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, brow pencil. I got her 2 of these masks. See, this basket is probably not going to hold all of this. It might. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to fandangle it somehow. Some eyeshadow, and it has, she don't really use these darker colors, but she likes the lighter colors. And she loves taking a bath. And this one is lemonade. And this one is cotton candy. She'll love this one. So I think these will fit in another couple of those eggs that I have. And so whatever I can put in an egg, I will. That's fine. And then whatever doesn't, I'll put in her little basket. So that is it. that's what I got my tween for Easter. And that's about it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all again soon. Bye.